Hi friends, welcome. Thanks for stopping in. So today I'm going to bring to you this super fun tumbler. So this tumbler is a Hog 20-ounce skinny, and I started out with a flat Kelly green paint on it. I'm using Mod Podge to hold my glitter. Now on this one I'm using two types of glitter. I'm using a dark Kelly green from Martha Stewart that I got at Michael's using a coupon. And I'm using a Recollections glitter, which is in like a lime green that I also got from Michael's using a coupon. I do apologize. I realize as I'm still trying to figure out the right proportions for my filming, the bottom angle I've gotten good, but recognizing how far up it's going, I need to pay a little bit better attention. So sorry about that. It's kind of hard sometimes when you're trying to do the work and you need to kind of look at it, but you're trying to keep it in the film. So I truly am sorry. So I'm using the darker glitter on the bottom, and then I'm going to use the lighter glitter on the top and blend them together in the center. And I, of course, am using some freezer paper so that I can keep my glitter and put it back in my container when I'm done. I don't want to waste any glitter. And on this one, I did 2 layers of the glitter. I do feel like using 2 layers of glitter really does help your ombre to come together a little bit better in the center. And I generally take a cup, mix a little of the dark and a little of the light together in the cup, and I will put that through the center. So once we're done with the glitter on this, then we will get our first round of epoxy on it for a nice smooth surface. All right, so here is the tumbler with its first layer of epoxy on it. It's nice and smooth. It turned out really, really nice. I do have one small little place that I didn't get epoxy really even, which is no problem. I can fix that after. But I'm really happy with the base of this tumbler. I think it turned out really nice. So I'm going to use my little tool here, and this is just 2 of the pool noodles. Well, it's a pool noodle that I cut and put 2 pieces of it together, taped it together, and it works really well to hold my tumbler while I put my pieces on. Now, I'm using a tattoo on this tumbler. So this is a temporary tattoo, and this is a really fun idea to use on tumblers. Now, normally the top of this tattoo I would cut off. However, on this one, I'm going to put the whole thing on because I want to show you. So first of all, when you use these tattoos, when you have it on, that's it. You can't move them. So that's the con. The pro is that these are flat and perfect, and they lay beautifully. You never have to worry about your epoxy lifting your decal. However, like I said, you can't change it. All right, so you put your decal on, cover it with water. I like to press it down really well. And then you make sure that it's on. Just slowly lift up your paper and you have your decal. Now, if you see up here on the top, there's stuff on there that I don't want, and down on the bottom. So those are things I would have normally cut off. It's the top of the paper that it's on. So I did this intentionally because I want to be able to show you that if something doesn't work, you can take it off without ruining your tumbler. Now, on these big ones, I do kind of, like to pat it down good after, make sure everything's nice and flat before it really dries well. Now, to get rid of the pieces we don't want, we're going to use some nail polish remover and a Q-tip. You want to do this right away. It comes off much easier and you don't have to do a lot of rubbing on your tumbler when you do that. And as you can see, I just put some nail polish remover on,
it's easy
and you can see that it comes right off.
If you put something on that you don't like,
now these
don't wait, get rid of it right away.
Tattoos I did get from Amazon. It's where I buy all of my tattoos. And you can just put in the search bar for temporary tattoos. So many things will come up. And I find beautiful images. I've yet to have any that I've had any difficulty with. So as you can see, you can take it off. But again, like I said, you cannot move it. So if you're going to use tattoos, you have to have it initially in the place that you want it.
So you would normally,
because you can't change it. So this is the top that I normally cut off because, again, it is the same
in any of these,
material as the tattoo, and it will go onto your tumbler like I showed you. So this turned out really, really cute. I love using the tattoos on these. Like I said, they lay really, really well. It looks like a just nice painted decal. And these are also great for tumblers that you don't want to do epoxy on, and you can just do a spray sealer on them and they will last really, really nicely. This is one of my favorite decal tricks. I started this with some temporary tattoos from Dollar Tree for little kids projects and loved how it turned out. Hey friends, welcome back. All right, so here is our tumbler completed. Looks really nice. I'm super happy with the outcome. I think the ombre looks good. The decal turned out amazing. Super cute tumbler. So I'm really happy with it. And I also wanted to show you, here's the glitter that I use. This is the Recollection. I don't even see a color on here. Oh, I lied. Neon green. So this is the Recollections glitter neon green. And then this is Martha Stewart. It's Amazonite. Anyways, you can see I've used this so much. I only have half a bottle left. This is one of my favorite greens. It's so pretty. And both of these came from Michael's, both with a 40% off coupon. So yeah, here's our tumbler. Turned out really nice. So I hope you like it. If you didn't know that you could use the tattoos on here, I hope it was a good tip for you. I personally love them, love the way they come out. They're not quite as personalized as when you use your Cricut. It's just nice that there are so many different alternatives for applying decals, and I love it. It gives us so many options. So anyways, hey, listen, if you liked the video, please give it a big thumbs up. And thanks again for stopping in. I'll see you later, friends. Bye.